Hi, welcome back. So I wanted to share with you how I organize my makeup and also how what I've done with my little space. I started to enjoy makeup. I always wanted like a big, majestic, amazing dressing table like we see on YouTube videos and all that. It took me a while to get there. I will find pictures and show you the process, how it started about 4 years ago. And what it built up to. So basically that's the video for today. I will show you where to get stuff, what I use, what I suggest, and it's mostly from IKEA, which is good because they're cheap-ish, and they basically have everything to go with colors, drawers, whatever you like, so it makes it a lot easier for you as well. The only thing I would say straight away is I highly recommend you to spend a little bit more on white bulbs, because IKEA will show you an example of what you can do, but they always suggest yellow bulbs. It kind of depends on what you want, but at the same time I prefer white light bulbs. It makes it a lot easier. It doesn't look as dark and it doesn't look as like the sun is actually in your room. It makes it so much easier. It's my opinion. So if you think anything different, just comment down below. And yeah, if you want to go on Instagram and show me your own dressing tables. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. The whole desk came from IKEA, very much. I'll leave it on a side, all the information about it, but it was about £300 altogether. You will obviously change depending on what you're having. But yeah, as you can see, like, it is different top, and then it is like normal drawers. You can have like smaller drawers if you want to, or a smaller top as well. The bulbs, I will highly suggest you to invest on the white ones, because IKEA itself, they suggest the yellow ones, and I personally don't like it. I prefer the white ones. The mirror is quite long as well, but that was a personal preference. So you have enough space to put all your stuff. The drawers are quite long as well, so you have enough space to do everything. So how I organize them is like these little things came in packs in 3, so like one big one and 2, no, actually 3 of these small ones from Primark. And I have all sprays and all that in one, all mascaras in another one, single shadows and eyeliners, glitters and stuff like that. Then I have all correctors and concealers, all powders and puffs, all foundations and BB creams, then I have all my makeup, like all my eyeshadows. These are also from Primark. I never really found a proper way to store them. So yeah, that's that. This one is just a bunch of crap. Then again, these separators are from Primark again. You have loads of room in the back. So I have like makeup bags, extras, all lipsticks, all liquid lipsticks, all bronzers and contour kits, all highlighters, tape, blushes, all primers, this is very much like a random, very random, but again, you have space in the back. Skincare, more stuff here because I left them all in the toilet, and all samples, hair, extra hand cream, my mesh bag, and hair. And again, another one. This is mostly for bullet journaling because it's so big and I don't really have a lot to store them in, so I just put them in there. I have my jewelry, a spare mirror, my Google Nest. This was my brother who gave me on Christmas. He says I couldn't put that on the top, and I thought it would be great to store all my makeup sponges. Some of my brushes, more brushes, laptop. Then here I have like all eyebrow stuff. These used to be like candle holders from Primark. Eye pencils, liquid shadows, and all lip liners, glosses, some lipsticks. These are meant to go to my mesh bag. Then I have more face halos and reusable cotton pads. They're meant to be, I think they're bamboo. Got some candles, mini fan, and a mirror, and that's it. This is the look, and again, I really hope that it helps you. So yeah, that's it. Bye.